recorded. So our next program is we need to check given two strings are anagrams or not. So what is mean by anagrams? So anagrams means you can rearrange the letters and form the other one. So same letters should be there in the second string also, and length should be same. And words you can reframe it. You can rearrange and frame another word. So that's what the anagram means. So one string characters, it will be in another string, but in different order, different places. But it should give another word. So meaningful word, or it can be anything, okay? So that is the anagram means. Let's check given two strings are anagrams or not, okay? So let's write a program to check given two strings are anagrams or not. So that is the S1 comma S2. Okay, so these are the two variables, S1 comma S2. So we can write a program. So simple, all whatever the programs you take, all string methods only. String methods only will help you to solve the string programs. But you should have a good command on the string methods. Otherwise, it is not possible. So I have given two programs, but Kumar did, I think that's not coming properly, right? I saw his no, screenshot. It's not going to work out. I think one array program I saw, it is not giving the proper result. Did you try them?
The array one I tried. The next one I haven't tried. Let me show.
Okay, the string one you didn't try?
No, not yet. Yeah.
Okay, maybe, yeah, we'll see all these programs today. We'll finish these strings completely today, and tomorrow we'll start the collections.
Okay. Yeah.
So, yeah. Public static void uh, check anagrams string S1 comma string S2. Okay, so these are the two strings we need to check. So the first step is, maybe the strings can be in uppercase also, right? Convert both of them in one format, either uppercase or lowercase. It's okay, anything. Just we'll convert into lowercase, okay? Convert the strings into lowercase. So S1 equal to S1 dot to lowercase. So S2 equal to S2 dot to lowercase. Yeah. So now first check the length of these two strings is same or not. If not same, you can say it's a not anagram. Both are not anagrams, okay? So first check the lengths. So S1 dot length is equal to S2 is not equal to, say you can say S2 dot length is not equal to and simply you can say it's not anagram. So okay, so here SOUT. Yeah, tab. I'm forgetting this shortcut. SOUT tab you need to press to get the sys out. So S1 and S2 are not anagrams because they are not same. So links are not same. That's the first check. Else, suppose if their length are same, right? What we need to do, we have to convert the string into character array. First step. So convert the string into. So these are all steps you need to remember. So these are algorithmic steps we call them. Convert the string into character array, right? So character array. So simply I can say char array using. So you know the method, right? To char array. So these methods you need to remember. So by practicing, you will get that. So just write. So simply character array, character. So ch. So array equal to, okay. So s1 dot to char array. So char array ch no s1 array will put, okay. So this ch s1 array and this is a s2 array equal to s2 dot to char array. So this is the one step. Once we convert them into character array, so then you sort the both arrays. Next step is sort the both arrays using arrays dot sort method. So in the arrays class is available in java.util package. So you can sort the both arrays using arrays dot sort method. So then, so what we can do, we can just put arrays dot sort and give that array. So what is that? S1 array. Same arrays dot sort S2 array. Okay, so this is the so arrays dot sort method we are using. And once you sort them, so they will be in the proper order. Then you check the both lengths. Both are equal or not. Compare both arrays using equals method of arrays class. So compare both arrays using equals method of arrays class. So you have if arrays dot equals method. So you can give a character array there. There is a third one, right? So this one. So you can pass S1 array, S2 array. So if not equal, if it is, right, if it is equal, you can simply say to both are anagrams. S1 and S2 are anagrams. S1, I can put S1 here. S1 and S2 are anagrams. Else you can say, so S1 and S2 are not anagrams. So this is how we can use this. So how to check anagrams? You just take few, right? You can take any of the two strings. Uh, let's call them. So static method, you can just simply, there are so many strings are there, anagram strings. You can see teacher and yeah. So you can say one is I could remember now, dog, and then God. They right? Both are same letters. So just letters are exchanged. So this is the one. These two are anagrams. You can run this. It will simply say both are anagrams. See, dog and God are anagrams. So you can give like that any kind of words and it will check our program. Those are anagrams or not. For example, if you give different, see, and simply it will say those are not anagrams. In the first step itself, so it is saying those are not anagrams. Okay. So this is the one program we need to do. And another program, let's go simple one. We'll do that. So you need to count the total number of occurrences of a given character in a string. So without using any loop and anything, you should not use a loop. So how can we do that? Suppose you have a string. So write a Java program. Total number of occurrences of given character in a string without using any loops. Loop you can use easily, you can find out. Right? That's why there is a twist also. Suppose you take a string str and that string is, let me give you that. We can define string str equal to, so you have Java is Java. And you can write again, Java again. So something like that we can write. So now you need to find out the A, so many times it is occurring, right? So many times, right? We 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 times it is occurring. So that, we're going to give the character, which character you want to count in this string. You have to give the character. So how many times it is occurring. So that we need to count without any loops. So let's write that method. So static void count the occurrence of character occurrence. Count character occurrence. Okay. So and we'll give a string we have to give. String str and also character also we have to give. Right? So which character you want to count? So both you have to do that. So how can we do that? So how can we do that? Let's simple. You can find the total length of this and then replace the given character and then find the length of. So that is the one easiest way. I can say simple one-liner only. So int count equal to s dot length str, right? Str dot length minus s dot replace this character with the empty. Okay, replace with an empty. So I can give this as a so C and so whatever it is, this one. Dot length, you find out the length. So I can put a here, that's it. So this also works. Oh, it didn't work. Empty character literal candidates for method. Mm, place there here. Empty character.
Should it be double quotes?
Yeah, we can give a double quotes also. And this also should be that time string. Yeah, then it works. Yeah, find the length and give this SOUT. I can say C given string plus yes, str. Properties. So let's call this method. I can take this string UVA and let's run this. Should give C 10 times. You can give anything. That's a parameterization is advantage. J, right? I want to give J. So you count the J also. Three times. Okay. So that's how many times. Whatever the letter you go, it will calculate. See, simple. We didn't use any other. Just we didn't use even loops. Just methods only. So that works. So this is how you can write. Okay. So
Ramesh,
that is the one program.
Ramesh,
Mhm.
just that's my confusion. One first line number 121 string that length minus string that.
Replace that character in the string and with empty. So that means you are moving out and no character you are giving. So what will happen? It will fill, right?
How many times it will like replace? That is the count.
Yeah, total length
Minus
minus that replaced string length we are finding. The difference it will give you the that character, that missing character. Got it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So next program is we need to swap the given two strings. How can we swap given two strings? So let's see how to do this. So you need to swap the given two strings. String S1, string S2. Okay. So write a program to swap given two strings. Okay. So S1 and S2, and we can just say this swapping logic, first you have to, uh, you can do two ways, right? One is I explained in the numbers swapping, right? A plus B, you can assign to A, and then B, you can find out A minus B. Then A, you can find out with A minus B. But here it is not like that. You have to use substring method. So substring method you have to use. First, you have to concatenate both the strings and assign. I'll just let me write before swapping S1 value, S2 value. So we can print both S1 and S2. So now you can, first step is concatenate S1 and S2 assign to S1. Okay. Step one is, so join S1 and S2 and assign to S1. So S1 equal to S1 plus S2. And step two, so now you got the whole string, right? So let's take here, good morning. Okay, so just S1 is good. Okay, and S2 is morning. So now you see this is the, no, you joined both of them. Then you will get here in this S1, good morning, you will get here. So one string you will get. So good morning, you got it now. Yeah. Now, so what you need to do, you need to get the S2 value from this. What is S2 value? That means it has to swap, right? So that you have to use a substring method to get, so that you start from here. So you should get this one, right? This one to S2, right? Good, you need to get it. So how can you get S2 equal to, so S1 dot substring of, so you want this one, right? You need to get the good. You need to get the good only. That is 0. You start with the 0. So that 0 index. That means 0 is the good. So till here, till good only we want. So we don't want this one. That means S1 length minus this S2 length, right? If you do that, and you will get the S2 value. So do that. S1 dot length minus S2 dot length. Is it perfect now? So the total is this one. In this, you are starting with a 0 index. That means here. And you want till D only. You don't want this. That way we are reducing that. So the total length minus S2 length if you remove, and you will get this value, and that value you're storing in S2. So you clear? So next step 3. So you need to get now S1. So fetch S1 using, you can fetch S1 using substring only. Substring with a single thing. So S1 equal to, so S1 dot substring. So just do S2 dot length. That's it. Simple. So you will get the output. Now you can do, so after swapping. So after swapping S1 and S2 is. So this is how we can get it. Now we can call this method. Just write all the reusable methods and you can get it. Call them so that you can cover methods also here. That will give you confidence on methods, how to create the methods, reusable methods. So I can give same, you can take good morning. So yeah, you can just call this and see before swapping it is good and morning, and after swapping, so morning and S1 we have to keep S1 after swapping. Swapping, you can say S1 and S2 value, so that it will be easy for finding out, okay, this is S1 value, that is S2 value. Yeah, perfect. Now see, it's swapped, right? So that's how you can do this swapping logic. Okay, so any questions on this? Okay, so what else programs we can do? Almost we covered, but when you get a collections, so then you have to think, right? So that is the another thing. So let me write, the program that we have seen, right? So took Yeah, so what is the program I have given to you guys? One program we have given, right? We need to find out.
Find a sub.
Hmm?
Find all the substrings in a given string. That's the second one.
Okay. Find the
First one, write a function called middle that takes an array and returns a new array that contains all but first and last element in Java.
Okay, yeah, got it. So that is the so one thing we can try it out. Right? That's easy one. So let's go and try that. And also a few more programs are there that also will do that. So let me write that program. So when you have uh, so all the substrings we need to find out, right? So all substrings. So we need to find out. Uh, that's a easy, and you can see use a for loops. Okay, so you can use for loops and you can try it out. So that's a one thing. I want to explain one more program also. So let me think. Yeah. So that so here only we kept, right? Coding challenge. Where is that? Oh, it's not showing here. Here only, right? Yeah, this is the one.
Yeah, that's one.
So this is the easy one. You can try it out. So let me check this on this. So the first one, so Kumar,